I'm back. We just finished making our 3 quick cards from our Creative Memories Trio card kit for Valentine's. Sweet on You. There were some extra bonus pieces that they gave us. I found some scrap pieces that I had. I cut them to 3/4 inches, and we're going to build our next card with the bonus pieces. What I'm going to do, I'll start out with Be My Valentine. I think I'm going to map. I have the fold going this way, so I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this to the lower right hand corner. Oops, once I can get my glue out. Again, I think I overloaded it with glue. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that there. And I think we're going to pop this up, Be My Valentine, or You Have My Heart, with some tape, pop-up tape. And then I have some little waxy twine. I think I'm going to just pop that right behind this somewhere. Let me just put that on there now. A little piece of tape on top. I don't even know. I don't know if you can even see that. Good. A little bit. And the final piece at the end. If you play an instrument, I play guitar and harp, so I have like non-existent nails, so I should have my Picket tool to get these little tabbies off, but I don't. So one of these going up. Let's see if I can switch this around here. Those pop up. I think I'll put that right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to, instead of putting glue on the upper half of the card, I think I'm going to go strip by strip, because I think I'm going to leave a little bit of space in between each of these strips. Again, I cut these to like 3/4. I probably could have done them a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead and we'll start about there. No, maybe I'll start with the rib. Well, no, I'm going to do the checkers. Okay. Again, this is where your silicone mat comes in handy. You can just go ahead and wipe any glue off when you're finished. Okay. Let's see. Maybe do a red. Again, there's so many herringbone patterns you can do. You can have them all going same direction, alternate them, having them going perpendicular to one another. They're kind of fun to do. They kind of never grow old. Maybe I'll do one more here. Love one. Do the love one here. Yeah, I think I'll add the love on the end here. And again, this is a great way to use up your scraps. There's so many different ways you can just use your scraps for cards. It's kind of lots of fun. And you can let the cardstock and the pattern paper just kind of speak for themselves. A lot of times you don't need a lot of different embellishments. Now this one I'll probably add up in the corner here, right here. put, let's see, what haven't we used yet? Let's see. Let's put a little piece of gingham over here on the left. That should fill up this area here. And you want a little bit of white space in between, as much as little as you want. There's cherish. I think I'll put cherish down here. Snip off some of these here because I'm going to use these. And then let's see, should we go one more here, one more up? Make it like a stepping. I think I'll put one this way and then one more up. Again, it's whatever you like. Make it fun. Enjoy the process. And then maybe I'll put another little piece of gingham up top here, or maybe. One. Okay, and typically you would let this dry before you trim it off, but I'll just give it a few seconds and then I'll just turn it around and I'll have to clean off my scissors afterwards. So let's go ahead and give that a quick flip. Trim along the card edge. I go back and clean it up. Again, I just wanted to speed this up. So you see how quick and easy it is just to use your scraps. Okay. So there we go. Just with the few bonus pieces, adding a little twine in there, we have another Valentine card to add to our collection. And then I will figure out something more for these XOs that came with the kit too. Whatever I did with them. We have an XO, so I'll see you in a little bit.